I think, a sense of peace and commitment on the part of the Pakistan government to accept the beautiful opportunity for a minority religion to be able to express itself so fully. I represent the Sikh caucus when I served the United States Congress, and over 700,000 American Sikhs who still look back to this land with great passion and great belief. So the opening of the corridor is a remarkable commitment, not just to respecting the religion, but hopefully, I believe, a window to a discussion of a longer lasting peace on the border. I think it's a very significant message, one of tolerance and acceptance, and something that works both ways. Many in the Sikh community as well appreciate they are a minority community and will also respect the other religions which are practiced in Pakistan. It's a remarkable commitment on the part of the government of Pakistan, certainly to make to build the Carpenter corridor, but the more significant thing in my mind is the recognition of what Sikhism means and that it can be a symbol towards peace.